Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most innovative products for your everyday needs. Today, we're diving into a game-changer for anyone who loves harvesting fresh fruits from the comfort of their own home, the Joyhalo 13FT Fruit Picker with Basket. If you're tired of straining your back trying to reach those high branches, this is the perfect solution to make fruit picking easy and efficient. The Joyhalo Fruit Picker comes with an adjustable stainless steel handle that allows you to extend the pull from 2.6 feet all the way up to 13 feet, giving you the flexibility to reach fruits at varying heights. Whether you're picking apples, mangoes, avocados, or even lemons, this tool will make the job much easier and quicker. No more climbing ladders or balancing on precarious branches. With the long reach of the Joyhalo picker, you can simply stand safely on the ground and pluck your favorite fruits with ease. What sets this fruit picker apart is its spacious metal basket. It's designed to hold multiple fruits at once, so you won't have to make constant trips up and down the tree. You'll save time and effort, allowing you to gather more fruit in a shorter period. Plus, the basket is equipped with a foam cushion at the bottom, preventing any bruising to the delicate fruits as they fall into it. This is especially important if you're picking fruits like apples or peaches, which are prone to damage. Despite its robust construction, the Joyhalo Fruit Picker is surprisingly lightweight. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it combines strength and durability without being heavy or cumbersome to carry. This ensures that you can comfortably use the tool for extended periods without feeling strained, even with a full basket of fruits. Assembly is a breeze with this fruit picker. You can easily put it together or disassemble it within minutes, making it a convenient tool to store or carry around. It even comes with a handy storage bag, so you can neatly pack it away when it's not in use. Whether you're storing it in your garage or taking it to a different location, you won't have to worry about taking up too much space. If you're looking for the best fruit picking tool that is reliable, easy to use, and highly efficient, the Joyhalo 13FT Fruit Picker with Basket is the one for you. It's perfect for all your fruit picking needs, making it a must-have tool for gardeners and fruit enthusiasts alike. Stay tuned for more reviews like this, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more helpful product insights. Thanks for watching.